Hello my people, this na, how you go take apply for the 2025 Nigeria Immigration Service recruitment. The portal go, open on Monday the 14th of July 2025, and go last for 3 weeks. Go to https://recruitment.cdcfib.gov.ng to apply. To qualify, you must be Nigerian by birth. Age must be between 18 to 35 years. For men, height na, minimum 1.65 meters, chest size 0.87 meters. For women, height na, minimum 1.60 meters. You no go get criminal record. You must stay medically and physically fit. You must get at least SSCE with 4 or 5 credits, including English and Maths. If you get NCE, OND, HND or B.Sc, better for you. How to apply? Go the website https://recruitment.cdcfib.gov.ng. Click Start Application, create account with your email and phone number. Choose Nigeria Immigration Service (NIS) as your agency. Select your Cadre, either Category A Superintendent, B Inspectorate, or C Assistant. Fill in your personal details. Upload your documents, certificate, birth certificate, passport photo, and national ID. Review everything well and submit. Print or save your acknowledgement slip. Important. Application na free. No apply more than once. If you apply to more than one agency, dem go disqualify you. Make sure say all your details stay correct. Not only shortlisted candidates dem go contact for next stage. Thank you.